Do you guys remember that feeling when we were kids and Christmas was like 2 weeks away and then we were just super excited to see what kind of presents we're going to get and we just had no idea what Santa's going to bring? That's exactly how I feel with CLOV with earnings in 2 weeks. Hello and welcome back to another video. I am your beautiful host, Young Buffett, the youngest Buffett that has ever existed. It is what it is. If you're new here, stop being new here. Scroll down, hit that subscribe button. Welcome to the community. You are now not new here. I'll give you a second to scroll down, hit that subscribe button, then scroll a little bit to the left. You'll see a thumbs up button. Hit that thumbs up button because I want so many thumbs up buttons on this thumbs up video that it just thumbs up to everybody. And then everybody says, whoa, why does this video have so many thumbs up? And then everyone's like, oh my God, I should thumbs up this thumbs up. And then everyone just sees it and it's just really cool for everybody. So, CLOV Earnings. I saw this post, super interesting. CLOV Earnings and what to prepare for. For those of you who are new to CLOV, earnings release is coming on August 11th, aka Christmas. The date was moved up, likely because the CFO leaving a couple days after, and there might be the announcement of a new CFO at earnings. Cool. I personally believe earnings will come in aligned with analyst expectations, potentially better. Cool. Remember, this is a hyper-growth company and spending is expected, but if they manage to show better management of the spending and they spend less, then that is a win in my book. Looks like we have the same book, Mr. JGV Ape. Looks like we have the same book. Revenue growth is what we are looking for here. And I will add, we are also looking for guidance. So not only is how they did important, what's even more important is how they will continue to do for the next quarter and for the next year and for the year after that and for the year after that. So guidance, forward-looking guidance is extremely important. But anyways, I fully believe in my opinion that, I fully believe in my opinion and their hedge fund behavior over the last 2 months that when earnings come out, they will short the shit out of it and give the appearance that really bad news came out. So be on the lookout for that one. True. That is true. CLOV had a lot of good news come out. Expansion to 101 countries. Addition of 2 exceptional members to their management team. None of their insiders sold their shares when they had the opportunity to do so. And institutional buying has increased. That last point is important. I can go on and on about all the good news, earnings, financials, etc., but the hedge funds don't care about any of that, and it has been proven over and over. Anytime there has been a good type of news, they attack and short the stock. When insiders had the opportunity to sell, look what they did. They shorted the stock to give the appearance that insiders were selling. When the news about the 101 countries expansion came out, guess what they did? The same thing. Look at the timing of the price target reduction. JP Chase price target reduction to $9 when it was already around $9. Look at the Bank of America timing of the price target reduction / downgrade. That's another interesting one. It is. CLOV is a disruptor, much like Tesla was. Look how much they did when they didn't want Tesla to succeed, but look at it now. Fun fact, Tesla was one of the original short squeezes. Look at how many big banks and how many shares of Humana they own, competitor to CLOV. If you want to protect your investment, do you think they would allow CLOV to take market share? That's an interesting point. Now, think about the price reductions I mentioned earlier. Bank of America has 700,000 shares in Humana, and JP Chase has 560,000 shares. The stock is heavily manipulated and clearly not driven by the financials, and as you just read, even by good news. Yeah, literally. Like anything that happens to the stock, like nothing is reflected in the price. You could have the best news in the world and the stock price doesn't go up. You know why? It's if you think of it like a pot, like a pressure cooker. I used this example in my other video. If you think of the stock as a pressure cooker, all the buying pressure is the steam building up on the inside, and the hedge funds are keeping that lid down. They're keeping the pressure on the stock and keeping it suppressed and suppressed. Good news, more steam. Good financials, more steam. But the pressure cooker keeps it all tame. And that's pretty much what's happening with the stock. Look at the RSI in the last 2 months. The stock is crazy oversold. True. The stock price is around $8. I don't know about you, but wouldn't they have loved to get Tesla or Amazon for 20% discount from its IPO? True. Look at CLOV competitors trading at 200, 300, and even 400 a share. You know what we should do? We should take a look at market cap breakdown. And I don't really care about the price of the stock. It all depends on the float and market cap. But that's interesting. Let's take a look at that. Yet, here we are trading at 20% below IPO. I think of this as when you were buying your employer stock via your paycheck and they match 5, 10, 20%, already have value. There is so much DD out there. You can search on the subreddit and you find everything you want, but I figure I would help with a summary of few items. Good luck and enjoy the weekend. That was a great post. Very interesting. Thank you for sharing. Ape Wisdom. Wall Street Bets, Wall Street Bets New, Wall Street Bets Elite, Stocks, Investing, SPACs, Options, Day Trading subreddits, talking about SPY, Robinhood, Amazon, GameStop, AMD, Tesla, AMC, Pinterest, then Clover. Top 10, baby. We made it. We're back to top 10. In my opinion, a lot of the most talked about stocks right now are just because of what's going on in the news. SPY, killing it day after day. Robinhood, new IPO, killing all the investors day after day. Amazon, died. GameStop just is always there. AMD has been killing it every single day. Tesla recently killing it. AMC, of course. Pinterest. I don't know. And then CLOV. CLOV, nearby words, bag, holders, wish, like, AMC, free, moon, should, bought, pump, minds, look, take, good, out. Overall, 67% positive sentiment. So people are still interested, people are holding, people are liking where it's going. Dark pool data, still interesting, kind of mellowing out based off of what I can see here. Net short volume is negative 1.8 million. Net short volume in dollars is negative 15.3 million. Yeah, I mean, people are buying shares, selling shares on retail, and then making it look like it's going down. Honestly, whatever. CLOV on Ortex, same shit. The short interest is 21%. Short interest change today is -5. Doubt it. Days to cover 0.8. It's going up. I say it every video. It needs to go up a lot. And it is. That's good. I think it's because volume is going down. Interesting. Okay. Jumping over to the stock, it's doing what I said it would do, which is good for some people. So let's talk about some strategies here. And you can see exactly how I played it, and it kind of might give you a good idea of how maybe you can take a look at your current financial situation and see how you want to play it. None of this, and I mean none of this, is financial advice. I am literally not qualified in any way to tell you guys what to do. I've just been doing this for 15 years and I have long-term investing strategies that work for me. I trade options, so I understand how that works, but none of this is financial advice. However, this is how I played CLOV and it has been okay for me so far. I mean, ignoring the fact that we're down like 25%, this strategy though helps because I would have been down a lot more. So when I decided I want to buy CLOV, okay, the first day that I wanted to buy CLOV, I bought 100 shares at $13.80. Now the strategy that I'm talking about is dollar cost averaging your way into a more sizable position that ensures you get a better price on the stock. Ever since I bought it at $13.80, it's been dropping. What do? I get paid. I have a job. I have money coming in through all of my income sources. I took a percentage of that and allocated it to this fun account where I'm messing around with these meme stocks, momentum stocks, and stocks that are subject to short squeezes. And now I have cash to scale in. I bought another 100 at 10. Then I sold puts because it just kept going down. I used that premium from the put sell to buy 5 more at 9.16. I used even more premium to buy 3 more at 9.11. These 8 shares are free shares, honestly. All I did was sell puts and collect premium. Then 50 shares at 8.20. Then 50 shares at 8.90. I am scaling in slowly but surely. Sold premium again. I bought a call and then I had extra cash and I bought 1 more share at 8.51. Every single share counts. Every single share helps. And what is it doing now? It's consolidating. It's not moving. The stock is not moving. It's mellowing out. It's just chilling out. What does that mean? That means you have time on your side. You take a look at your current financial situation and you say, do I have firing power to throw some cash down and average down my position if I am down? And I'll tell you what, a lot of you guys are down. So what are you going to do? Sell puts, get money, buy shares? Work, get money, buy shares? Shares never expire. Calls do. So be careful. All of those people who bought deep out of the money calls for this week, all gone. It's all worthless. All of the people who've been buying shares, they're fine. They just hold shares. There's no cost to borrow. The hedge funds are losing money every day because there's a cost to borrow. We're fine. I'm fine. I'm just holding. I'm down 25%, but I'm just holding. I technically haven't lost money until I sell. So I don't want to keep ranting about that, but now is probably a good time to just dollar cost average. It's not going to do much until earnings, honestly. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'm really nice. Throw a comment down. Test me. Whatever you guys want to know, let me know. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button so you're not new anymore. And I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next video.